on, how did that work? Since you guys had like busy schedules, were you like nagkaroon ba kayo ng time to yourself to just sit down and actually like reflect on what happened, or was it just too fast of a pace dun sa mga nangyayari sa life niyo na may delayed reaction yung pag-move on?
Ako, interesado ako sa sagot mo. Hindi ko pa na ano yung...
Yung akin, it comes in waves. Those were the first stages na, pwede kahit
Okay.
okay kami. And then of course came the stage na parang,
Ayun na, anger came.
baka
May
galit
ganun
siya sa akin, ganun. Tapos tampo din ako sa kanya kasi parang,
Parang wala yung galit sa akin.
really promise? Parang galit ka sa akin.
Hindi, wala yung galit sa akin. It's just that parang hindi ko alam kung paano i-handle lahat ng nangyayari.
Oo.
Ang gulo ng
ito.
nangyayari, ang daming nangyayari. So, ayun.
But the hardest ones were when we'd still have to see each other at work